The Canon EOS R9 South African Rand is rapidly becoming one of the most anticipated APS-C mirrorless cameras of 2025, sparking considerable excitement among photographers, videographers, and content creators alike. Rumors suggest that this upcoming camera could dramatically outshine its predecessor, the Canon EOS R7, offering improvements not only in performance but also in features and usability. Among the most intriguing leaks is the possibility of 4K video recording at 120 frames per second with no crop, a capability that would be groundbreaking for an APS-C system. If accurate, the R9 may fundamentally reshape expectations for mid-sized mirrorless cameras, bridging the gap between APS-C and entry-level full-frame performance. From a design perspective, the Canon EOS R9 South African Rand is rumored to incorporate a combination of premium materials to deliver durability without compromising portability. Early reports suggest a hybrid construction using magnesium alloy and polycarbonate, creating a camera body that is both strong and manageable in weight. Ergonomics also appear to be a focus, with leaks pointing to a deeper, more contoured grip compared to the R7. This should make extended shooting sessions more comfortable and provide better handling when paired with larger telephoto lenses, which are commonly used in wildlife, sports, and event photography. Alongside improved grip design, the R9 is expected to feature weather sealing on par with Canon's higher-end mirrorless cameras, offering reliability for outdoor shoots in rain, dust, or other challenging environments. In terms of usability, the Canon EOS R9 could significantly elevate the user experience. Leaks indicate a fully articulating 3.2-inch touchscreen, enabling flexible shooting angles for vloggers, street photographers, and hybrid content creators. Complementing this is a high-resolution electronic viewfinder, possibly exceeding 3.6 million dots, which promises a bright, immersive, and lag-free shooting experience. For workflow efficiency, dual memory card slots are expected, including one SD UHS-2 slot and one CF Express slot, giving photographers reliable backup options and faster data management. Connectivity is also rumored to be enhanced, with support for Wi-Fi 6 and Bluetooth 5.2, potentially allowing for faster tethering, remote shooting, and file transfer, a welcome improvement for professionals who need streamlined workflows in both studio and field environments. At the heart of the Canon EOS R9 is expected to be a brand new stacked APS-C sensor, with speculations placing resolution between 32 and 40 megapixels. This would represent a notable step up from the 32.5 megapixel sensor of the R7, providing photographers with a higher resolution tool capable of capturing finer details. The stacked sensor architecture is not just about more pixels, it also allows for faster readout speeds, which reduces rolling shutter effects and supports higher burst shooting rates with minimal distortion. Early leaks also hint at enhanced dynamic range and improved low-light performance, ensuring that the camera can handle a variety of lighting scenarios, from dim indoor environments to fast-paced outdoor action. Coupled with Canon's latest digic processor, the R9 should deliver smoother tonal transitions, accurate color reproduction, and superior highlight retention, benefiting both still photographers and videographers alike. Autofocus has always been a key strength of Canon's mirrorless cameras, and the EOS R9 could push this even further. Rumors suggest the use of dual-pixel CMOS AF2, or potentially an upgraded version 3, offering faster, more accurate autofocus with expanded subject recognition. This includes face and eye detection for humans and animals, as well as vehicle tracking, extending creative possibilities for wildlife photographers and sports shooters. Autofocus coverage is expected to span nearly the entire frame, allowing for more dynamic composition without worrying about missed focus points. AI-driven predictive tracking algorithms may also be implemented, helping the camera anticipate subject movement and deliver sharp results in fast-paced shooting situations. In addition to autofocus, the Canon EOS R9 could feature impressive in-body image stabilization, possibly providing up to 8 stops of shade correction. When combined with optically stabilized lenses, this system could make handheld shooting at slower shutter speeds more reliable, reducing the need for tripods in many scenarios. This would be particularly beneficial for wildlife and sports photographers, as well as hybrid shooters capturing video in uncontrolled environments. Performance-wise, the combination of a stacked sensor and a powerful digic processor could allow for continuous shooting speeds of up to 30 frames per second. Such capabilities would be a boon for action, wildlife, and sports photographers, allowing them to capture fleeting moments with precision. Early leaks indicate that the improved processing pipeline and buffer management may handle sustained high-speed shooting without the slowdown seen in the R7, making the camera practical for professional workflows. Video performance is another area where the Canon EOS R9 could set new benchmarks for APS-C mirrorless cameras. Reports suggest support for 4K recording at 120 frames per second, allowing videographers to capture ultra-smooth slow-motion footage directly in camera. Some leaks even hint at limited 8K recording capabilities, though thermal considerations may impose restrictions on duration or bitrate. If these capabilities are realized, the R9 could compete with higher-end hybrid cameras such as the Sony Alpha A6700, and even certain entry-level full-frame models like the Panasonic Lumix S5 Mark II. Thermal management also appears to be a focus in the R9, with rumors indicating improved heat dissipation through enhanced passive cooling and firmware-based thermal regulation. These measures would allow the camera to sustain high frame rate recording or prolonged burst shooting without overheating, addressing a common limitation in high-performance APS-C cameras. Videographers may also benefit from Canon Log 3 and 10-bit 4:2:2 internal recording, along with full HDMI output for external recorders, creating a workflow-ready solution suitable for cinematic projects. Taken together, the Canon EOS 9 South African RAND is shaping up to be a highly versatile hybrid camera, capable of handling both high-resolution photography and demanding video production. Its stacked APS-C sensor, advanced autofocus, in-body stabilization, and high-speed performance could enable the R9 to bridge the gap between APS-C and full-frame systems, appealing to a broad spectrum of creators. Pricing and release timing are also generating interest. Based on current leaks, the Canon EOS R9 may launch in the latter half of 2025, possibly in the fourth quarter, with a rumored body-only price of around $1,799. While this positions it slightly above the R7, the rumored improvements in sensor, autofocus, image stabilization, burst shooting, and video performance appear to justify the increase. For enthusiasts and professionals seeking a camera capable of high-speed photography and advanced video tasks, the R9 could represent an attractive value proposition within the APS-C segment. Beyond specs, the Canon EOS R9 seems designed to appeal as a true professional tool. Unlike the R7, which catered largely to enthusiasts, the R9 could serve photographers and videographers who require higher performance and versatility. Wildlife photographers, sport shooters, and content creators may all find reasons to adopt the R9 as their primary system. Its stacked sensor, high-speed burst shooting, advanced autofocus, in-body stabilization, and next-generation video capabilities collectively signal a significant leap forward in APS-C mirrorless technology. In conclusion, the Canon EOS 9 South African RAND is shaping up to be far more than a simple upgrade to the R7. From its rumored stacked APS-C sensor and advanced autofocus system to high-speed burst shooting, in-body stabilization, and 4K/120 FPS video recording, the R9 could set new standards for APS-C mirrorless performance. Combined with improved ergonomics, dual card slots, professional connectivity, and robust video support, it may become a highly versatile tool for photographers and filmmakers alike. With a likely release in late 2025 and a rumored price of $1,799, the Canon EOS R9 has the potential to bridge the gap between portability and professional performance, offering a compelling option for hybrid shooters across various genres and experience levels. If Canon delivers even 80% of what has been speculated, the EOS R9 could dominate the APS-C mirrorless market, offering a rare combination of compact size, professional-grade features, and impressive overall versatility.